welcome to KittiesMama. I'm Emma.
I'm Jonah.
And I'm Noah.
And today we're going to be making a giant McDonald's box fort.
And if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified whenever we upload.
And we have all these boxes so we can build the fort.
Red and yellow tablecloths.
TV boxes.
Whole bunch of boxes.
Where's the
U-Haul
door at?
boxes. Tape.
Where'd
Tape.
the door go? There the door.
So we did a poll on Instagram. We had you guys vote between A and B of
And C.
which one is the most recognizable.
And C.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We had 3 options for you guys to choose from.
To determine which McDonald's is the most recognizable.
Yeah.
Also, there was another one of these that we're not including because, you know, it didn't win at all. And it's the old design of McDonald's.
And you guys chose A and B, which were these 2. So we are going to do a combination of them.
Our mother drew this blueprint. So this is the camera where it's gonna be pointing. This is the entrance right here. And on this one, there's like a protrusion of the McDonald's symbol. That's gonna be coming out right here. It kind of goes into there, so it'll go into there like this, and then drive-through is all the way over here.
So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is build that giant red piece.
We got most of these boxes from the Best Buy trash. So if you're looking for some boxes to build your own box fort, go to Best Buy on a Thursday.
Here's the magnificent garbage hog. Garbage hog is a wonderful hog that we got in the garbage.
Dumpster diving treasure. Is that what drama class? Oh.
Yeah, it's like going in the corner.
Die. 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 It's like beetles and like spiders and.
Oh yeah, there's like 5 spiders in there though.
Oh, so I can crush those bugs. Crush
Get
them.
'em.
Crush them. Woo. That's way too tall.
Okay, so we need it to be about this tall.
Yes.
Right now, we're putting some white paper on this thing so it looks like a Mickey D's. You'll see.
We changed from doing a mixture of B and A to basically just A
That's easier.
because it's much easier.
And it looks cooler. Like, look at how boring that is. We'll probably still do those
This is
awnings,
what
though.
McDonald's here look like. The fort structure is ready. Now all we have to do is the roof and lettering. And the drive-through. Yeah, the drive-through. Forgot about that. Currently, we are treating the roof of this thing, and we're using some paper because it's very thin and it's very light. It's not heavy. And I have to cut out some letters. What? So we added another roof, but it isn't the paper because we ran out of that. It's a different piece of cardboard, and we have this pillar in the middle to keep it steady.
Bigger than a Snicker.
And we're definitely gonna have to add lights now because we're using a flashlight.
Okay, so currently in here, Emma is cutting up these letters. It says Donald. I mean, it'll be
It
kind of
says
hard.
Donald.
It says Donald. I'm sorry.
It says Donald.
So now all we need is the Mick.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty dark in here, and we're gonna have to like outline a little bit of the outside with some black to make it look cool, and then we're pretty much done.
The drive-through window.
Oh, the drive-through window too, and then we're pretty much done.
Y'all ready for this?
I'm not. Oh wow, really blue
Oh,
lighting.
it hurt my eyes.
Getting ready to put this black stuff around the top out here.
Oh, so we have more cord.
Oh, okay, hold on.
We need more cord.
Let me put down the camera while it's still filming so it's funny. This is funny, right? This shot is funny. Nope, that's it. That's all.
That's all the cord you got.
And that's also all for
See?
tonight, folks. Update on the cord situation. There's a lot more cord than I thought. So, I was wrong. I was very wrong.
We're gonna be putting these lights on the ceiling.
At 5 a.m. tonight, I'm gonna say.
Do.
I'm gonna say this at 5
I
a.m.
mean,
Are you ready for what I'm gonna say?
Do you like it?
Mama!
Yeah.
Mama! Wow!
oh.
Oh.
about 80% done. We're going to continue it tomorrow. So in the next clip, it'll be nice and sunny. So our mic wasn't turned on earlier, and our dad put an awning on top of the drive-thru window, and he's
And
adding.
now it slides.
He's adding on a screen and a speaker right there, and it's also a sliding door. And so we got a lot of new stuff added in, and there's a really cute cat right there doing that, and I think our fans would like to see him. So, our mom printed out some golden arches, and now either Noah or our dad's going to tape that up there because they're the tall ones. So, it is complete! Take a peek at it. We just need to have Micah order something. And spend 24 hours inside of it.
You got a TV over there?
Welcome to the inside of our McDonald's.
Our Mickey D's is finished.
It looks like McDonald's.
So
We got a
over here
window.
We got a beautiful window. We
A
also
sliding
got
window.
another window.
Inside the pillar, we have Happy Meals.
Yes, and this is what we bring success from because McDonald's motto is use the pillars of success to.
McDonald's motto is our stocks are lowering. These greasy bags. We got a cup. May I take your order, please?
Fries.
Goodbye.
Double check. Make sure you got everything.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Have a nice day, sir. That's all we got.
Don't litter.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Can I have a Happy Meal, please? Here you go, sir. Have a nice day. Thank you. Welcome. Have a nice day, sir. I want Happy Meals, please. Thank you.
We're gonna eat now. We hope you enjoyed our McDonald's box fort, and I hope you watched the 24-hour challenge. 24-hour challenge in this fort, where we stay in here for 24 hours. That's why it's called the 24-hour challenge.
We're also gonna be shipping ourselves inside of McDonald's.
We're not going to be doing that. But thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, plus on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Is that YouTube?
See you next time, YouTube.
Click these rectangles to watch our videos, and click the circle to subscribe.